Alrighty.
Marty on a ride?
Nah, I'm gonna start getting this stuff gathered up here.
Alright. Didn't see anything this morning. Hopefully
Like driving
Yes,
Miss
sir.
Daisy.
we see something. Alrighty, y'all. We're in here. Set up. The deer feed's way out there. So we're just waiting for a deer now. That's right. Trees in the way. Let it move. Come on. That's a dead girl. Let's go. Let's go. Dead right there. Come on.
Guys, my heart rate was through the roof.
Dude, my heart rate was jumping. You dropped him.
Dude, I don't think I've felt that much adrenaline. I can't believe that just happened.
Come on.
Guys, we just got set up in here.
That's exactly what happened last year for me.
Eli wrote, it is your turn to shoot an awesome deer.
Let's go.
Guys, I have no idea what I shot. It looked like a bug. Maybe a short. I don't know. Did it look like a bug? I don't know. Might have been a doe. I really don't know.
I think it's a doe. It doesn't matter now, it's dead. But,
Yeah, honestly, I think it.
alright.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Let's go. Alright, we see a spike out there. We are not going to shoot him. He's just a little tyke. But, yeah, he is out there. See, I don't know if y'all can see through there. A little bit, like jerry rig this, but he is right there. Oh, that does kind of work. Yeah, he's like right there. Up next to that dead deer, so we'll see what happens, but we are not gonna shoot him. He's just a baby buck, so stay tuned. Alright guys, there's a deer right there. Oh, it's just a doe though, so we're not going to shoot it. But there's also a deer right out there. That's also not a shooter. Not a shooter. I can't tell what he is. I don't want to shoot like a little 4-point. He's behind a tree now. I can't tell. Like it kind of looks like he's like a 8-point, but at the same time, I just don't know.
I mean, do you want to do it? It's your decision.
Hang on, he's looking at his notebook.
Okay. If it's a bait,
No, I think I'm gonna leave him. If he comes back, I might shoot him, but he's just walked off into the woods.
I mean, are you sure?
I can't tell if he's like a big, like a, I can't tell if he's a big, like 5 or 6-point, or if he's like a small, like 8 or 10-point.
Well, here's how you tell.
I can't tell how many Alrighty, y'all.
So we're here, just looking at the smell. But yeah,
Yeah, we got mounts.
that's tomorrow, right?
That is tomorrow. Yeah, but we have mounts
Yeah, dude.
all over this lodge.
So yeah, I got the
But-
deer cleaned and it's in the cooler now. So
Yep.
yeah,
Speaking of
Just chilling.
mounts, but yeah, today was good.
Yeah.
Got a doe and a spike.
I did not mean to shoot that spike. That was so. What ended
It's
up
fine.
happening was, so there was this buck that came in and he was like over here, and then this one came back like right there, and we were thinking it was the same deer that we saw a second ago, and it's not. But it's okay. And also, I was thinking maybe it was a doe instead, or I don't know. I was confused, but
It's fine. But yeah, tomorrow I am up. Yeah, I'll be up, and I'm not gonna shoot a spike. So
do it.
stay tuned. Alrighty, y'all.
All right.
It's the next morning. About to head out to the same stand we were at yesterday.
Yeah. Yesterday evening. I want to try to see if we can't get a big buck. So
Yeah.
stay tuned.
We'll catch you guys out there. Alright. We're heading back to the stand we were at last night where Josh shot his deer. It's all good. Yep. We're just heading out now, so keep you tuned. Well, we see a spike. It's been really slow this morning, but hopefully it picks up. Yeah, here it comes out again. Yeah, there is a spike out there. I don't know if I can adjust the camera so y'all can see it or not. Let's see here if I can zoom in. Well, I don't really know how to do it. But yeah, it's out there. Oh, here we go. Okay. Maybe if I'm sitting here for some. So he's right through there. So he's not a shooter though, so we're gonna have to leave him. It's cool. At least we saw something. Yeah, it's fun to look at him through the binoculars here. Yeah. But yeah, he's like a long spike. He has two. Wait, shh. There might be another one, y'all. There's two. No, there's one. There's only one. Okay. Alright. Well, when you see one deer, sometimes another one comes out with it. So let's see what happens. Still over there, chopping away. Anyways, we'll give you all an update later. Alrighty, y'all. There is a 4-point buck out here. He's not a shooter. See if I can get this focused in here. Yeah, he's right there. So, yeah, but he is not a shooter. So we're gonna let him go. Yeah. He's a 4-point buck. He's looking at us, hang on. Okay, but it's fun to watch him though. Yeah. We're seeing some stuff out here, so it's good. Yeah. Better than seeing nothing. It seems like there's through the scope here, but he's right. Whoop. He's right there. So there's one there, and there's one up by the feed. So they're both little 4 points though, so we ain't gonna shoot them, but it's cool to see deer. Alright y'all, so there's another. They're both right. Right out there. So we'll keep it. Alright.
Alright, y'all.
We just got down.
Gonna put some more forward.
Yeah, we saw some more, or we heard some more stuff, but we didn't see anything. So we're just gonna go put some more feet out. But yeah.
I see
Alright.
what the deer like it over here.
Yes. All right.
All right, y'all. So we're heading out to the last evening hunt, and yeah, we'll check it out. See if we can get anything. Eli's going for a buck, and yeah, see what happens.
Dropped him. Dropped him. Dropped him. Right there. It's right there. Where is it? Right there. Oh my goodness, bro. Yo. Oh my god. My goodness, Connor. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. Yo. Let's go. There was another one that they did too. What was that? I don't know. Because I just saw it. Oh my gosh, bro, that was insane. That was epic, bro. Just like, I'm so slow. Holy crap. Oh my god. Yo, bro, I can't see. Oh, is it still going? Yeah, my name.
Alright guys, so last night we went out and as you guys saw, we shot a deer, cleaned it up last night, got all the meat, so we're getting ready to head out this morning. So yeah, I'd say overall we had a pretty successful trip. So we ended with 2 does and a spike.
Yeah, I on accident didn't mean to shoot that spike.
But that's okay. So yeah, I guess now that's all left to do is head home. So
Yeah.
well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, do those YouTube things, and
Happy hunting and fishing.
there we go. See you guys in the next one.